Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I want to do kind of a different video. So I have my Boxycharm box here and my Birchbox here, and I kind of want to do one of those verses, like to see which one I prefer, which one I like more. And yeah, so you can tell my Boxycharm box is already open. It's because I filmed my unboxing video of it, and then I decided to do this video. So yeah, I already know what's inside it. But I don't know really what's inside the Birchbox. I might have took a peek, but I forget what's in there. So, let's just get started. I guess I'll just open the Boxycharm first, and then I'll do the Birchbox next. So, the theme for the Boxycharm this month is Wildflower. I love this picture. I think it's really cute. And yeah, so let's see what is inside. So, the first thing in here is from, I'm going to butcher this name, Lamar Cosmetics, I think is how you say it. And it's their Ojitsu, it's not how you say that, I guarantee it, brush set. And they retail for $18. And you get this one, which is kind of like an eyeliner brow brush. And then this one, which is like a flat little eyeshadow brush. And then this really fluffy blending brush. These brushes are all so soft. They're made from 100% synthetic fibers. Nice. I'm excited to try these brushes out. So then from Laura Geller, you get the Baked Blush and Brighten, and it retails for $28, and mine came in the color Tropic Hues. It's a super pretty color. It looks super pretty. I've been really excited to try this blush out. For a while, I didn't like wearing blush like at all or anything, and lately I've been really into wearing blushes again, so. Next, from Butter London, it's the Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precise Liner, and it retails for $19. And then this is what it looks like. It's like a little ball. I might try this out on camera. That might be cool to like try and like play around with. If you guys want to see that video where I try it out, let me know. Alright, then from Lorac, I have their Pro Liquid Lipstick, and it retails for $19. And this comes in the color Wisteria. And it's a gorgeous like purple color. I think it's going to be really pretty for fall. It smells so good. Guess I can do like a little swatch of it. Oh yeah, that'll be really nice for fall. My friend Ricky would love that lipstick. She loves colors like that. And then the last thing, which is the thing I'm probably most excited about, it's from the brand Pretty Vulgar, which I have not tried yet. And it's an eyeshadow palette. And it's in... The palette's called Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow. First of all, I love the front of the packaging. I think it's gorgeous. My friend Ricky would also love this. And it's got a really nice mirror. I don't want to like show you like everything, but there's that. And then here is the palette. It looks like a little birdhouse. I'm trying to show you without like blinding you with my lights and stuff. It looks so pretty. I'm so excited to try it. I'm not going to swatch all these because I don't want stuff all over my shirt. But yeah. So far, I'm loving that box. I feel like I keep calling it my Birchbox, but I think it's a Boxycharm box. Alright, let me put everything back in here so it's not in the way. And then... now we'll open our Birchbox. My dogs are like outside the door just staring at me like little creeps. It's a nice day out. It's like 65, 70 degrees and there's a nice breeze blowing, so I'm like, you know what, you two can chill on the porch and get some fresh air. You're not outside much, you know? Because lately it's been like 90s, close to 100, so I haven't been putting them out because I don't want them to get like too hot. like, I mean, I put them out for like 10 minutes at a time, but I thought today they could stay out for a little longer. Why not? Alright, so this month for Birchbox, it says, we're celebrating you. This month marks 8 years of Birchbox, and we couldn't have done it without our amazing customers. So, this box is supposed to represent kind of like us and stuff, I guess. So, I'm just going to pull something out. So this is from Dr. Lip, and it's their Miracle Balm, and the full size retails for $16.50. Looks cool. I'm excited to try that. I have really chapped lips in the winter and like fall, and they're like starting to get chapped now. I don't know if you can tell. So I think that'll come in handy. Alright, then from Botanic Beauty, I think is how you say it. It's the Fill and Tame Brow Gel, and it's in the color Clear, and the full size is $12. I like the packaging of this. It's like a bright green with like little lily pads on the top. I love lily pads. They're so cute. My friend judges me for that. She says I'm weird because I like lily pads. I'm like, leave me alone. Alright, so then from MAC Cosmetics, it's the In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara, and the full size is $24. I don't want to open it because I have a lot of mascaras open right now, and I don't want it to like dry out. So I'm going to leave that. So then from Balance Me, it's their Congested Skin Serum, and the full size is $23. What are they barking at? Give me 1 second. I'm back. Sorry if the lighting changed. I had to let them inside, so then I closed the door. But yeah. Where was I? This. Alright, this is the Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. And the full size is $23. Hey! I'm going to close that curtain and you're not going to be able to look outside if you don't quit. Snoop, leave the cat alone. Are you done? You're going to be a little diva today. I can tell. Alright, so then this is an exclusive product. It's the Beauty Protector. That's the brand. And it's the Protect and Detangle. And the full size is $23.50. And it's paraben and sulfate free. So this is what it looks like. I love the packaging of this. And I like the feel. It's like a squishy bottle, but it's like in a spray bottle. I really like it. And yeah. So, I think comparing the two, I like my Boxycharm more this month. But I have had months where I prefer my Birchbox. But like this month, it's definitely my Boxycharm that I prefer. Just because I like that eyeshadow palette so much. You know? But I do like the things in my Birchbox. Yeah. I think that's my final decision. Yeah, I'm excited to try all these products. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes this month if you received one of these boxes. Tell me if you've tried any of these products and if you like them and your opinion on them. Tell me if you want any reviews on any of them, or you want me to do like a makeup tutorial with the eyeshadow palette or something. Let me know. Give me your suggestions. I usually do any suggestion I get. And yeah. So I think that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I try to upload 4 times a week. It's been a little rough lately. I have a huge test coming up, and I've been studying constantly for that. But if you guys have any video suggestions, you can let me know in the comments down below, and I'm going to try to get back on my weekly schedule. And yeah, so I think that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.